This old guy DIY video has to do with using this Vermeer wood chipper to chip up some wood. Now, the lady that owns this property is pretty nice, but she can be pretty demanding sometimes. And my challenge today is to get all this stuff that's laying down. It's been cut up over the last 6 weeks or so, chipped and thrown into the woods, so basically it looks like mulch. And when we were talking this morning, she says, hey, I know you're old, you're slow, I don't know if 8 hours is going to be enough, but with this machine I'm confident that not only can I accept the challenge, but I'm going to succeed. See how it goes. In today's battle of man versus brush, man is declaring victory. So the shot this morning was at 10 o'clock. It's now 7:30. I finished this job at 7. So it took 9 man hours, 6.5 machine hours, 8 IVB Gone pills, 12 ibuprofen, a gallon of lemonade, half a gallon of water, and 3/4 of a tank of fuel. So of the things I've rented over the years, that Vermeer chipper may be the most valuable. So the thing did a great job, and I'm happy that I rented it. Now if you're considering renting one of these Vermeer chippers, I suggest that you do it, as this thing tore through that brush like nobody's business. I didn't have any failures all day. The thing never bound up. You have a control here for your speed of feed. You see your little bar here, the safety bar. So if it feels like it's bogging down, you can throw it into neutral, and if it does start to jam, you can just push the bar forward, which will cause that little conveyor to back up. But this thing was really a pleasure to work with, and it made today much better than it would have been had I gone the other route. I was considering buying a smaller unit for myself for somewhere between $1,200 and $3,000 and I think this one at local auctions has been selling for about $18,000. But if you can rent something like this for $200 and get your work done in one day, I think it's a great deal. And if this were my machine, I would name it Pouchly. It reminds me of a guy I went to school with who would eat anything. So, man beat the brush pile today. It's time to go put some fuel in this thing and take it back to its owner in the morning. Have a great day.